Hi everybody, welcome back to the Cutting Edge Garage. In our last video, you saw that we got a call from David Ankin over at Toy Makers. David invited us to a race with the Ute, and unfortunately, I may have fibbed a little bit and told him that the Ute was a little bit closer to being done than it actually was.
Are you thinking within a month?
Sure, I can have it done within a month. So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through the unboxing process, almost like a kid at Christmas time, on all the parts that we ordered, because at that point in time we hadn't ordered anything. So I hope you really enjoy this as much as we do, because this is gonna be like kid at Christmas time. We get to open up all these boxes for the parts that we've got ordered. Let's see if we can make this thing start coming to life. Okay guys, so let's take a look and see what we've got today. We've got our X-Force exhaust system. We decided to go with X-Force with the Varex mufflers and control system. So basically, if I'm in a neighborhood or in an area where sound pollution, quote unquote sound pollution, may be offensive, I can kind of quiet this down back to kind of factory. At the same time, I can change the valve, open it wide open, and it's pretty much like straight through exhaust. Really cool system. Comes with the gaskets, hardware. Man, this is good looking stuff. Let's get it unboxed. Take a look and see. Oh wow, very nice. All right, let's see what we got in this box here. Freight company, true to form, wasn't the kindest to this hardware, so let's take a look, make sure everything's okay. We're good. So here's our 3-inch. These are 3-inch exhaust pieces. Man, that is so much bigger than the factory. I'm really excited to get this in there and hear what it sounds like, and also check the fit. So this is basically, in this box we've got all of the connection pipes, parts and pieces in there. So we'll go ahead and toss this hardware over here. Okay, so in this box, we've got the trick flow, displacement on demand or active fuel management, delete, new aluminum, valley cover, lifter retainers. Yeah, pretty much all the parts and pieces we need to get rid of the active fuel management. Awesome, looking forward to this, including new F gaskets. Okay. Now this should be our Varex mufflers. Very nice. Very nice setup. This is our actuator. It gives us control over that valve. And with that valve, we'll be able to go pretty much straight pipe or tone it down so that we're not offensive in certain neighborhoods. What else Santa Claus brought us. So with adding the Pro Charger, we also needed to get our air intake temps and exhaust gas temps down just a little bit, try to help with that cylinder temperature with the compressed gases. So we ordered a AEM methanol injection kit, so that's going to be going in. Miscellaneous gaskets. Let's see, what else do we have in here? So we've got some Eagle connecting rods. This is our Trunnion Kit upgrade. One of the weak spots on that L77 motor, that 6-liter motor, is the rockers. So this is a full Trunnion Kit swap. 4-corner steam kit, timing chain, LS2 timing chain, 160-degree thermostat, crank bolt. And here we have our pistons. Very nice Summit Pro LS pistons is what we decided to go with. They're dished, so it's going to help us reduce compression just a little bit, make it a little bit happier with that extra boost we're going to throw at it. All right, here we go. Push rods, camshaft, head bolts. LS wedge style, timing chain, tensioner, lifters. All right, guys, I think we've got everything that we need to start making some headway on our project here. Take a look at this camshaft. This should be our new suspension. Really stoked about this because the handling on that Ute is not the greatest. These are the Petters coilovers, which we're really excited about putting on. Give us the ability to adjust both bump and rebound, and should really go a long way with giving us better traction, for setting the vehicle up for better traction, and handling and performance just all the way around. Should be awesome. So the only thing we have left on box is the Pro Charger. We're going to do that last. Save the best for last, right? The power adders. We're going to go ahead and start getting this car torn down and getting some parts put on it. Super stoked. Let's get it done.